it sets out to achieve.
Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh has stated that the government is confirming the bidders' assertions and rebuttals regarding the 108 services. Lyngdoh stated that the department is processing and writing to various agencies and authorities for verifications of all the claims and counterclaims of the bidders, citing information that caused a great deal of confusion and allegations and counter-allegations between the firms. A few bids reportedly broke the conflict of interest clause in the bidding contract, according to a letter from one of the bidders to the mission director of the National Health Mission, Meghalaya.
That's all. 108. What has happened recently is that there were allegations, counter-allegations between the firms, all sending information that is, creating a lot of confusion, but not attending to those allegations is also incorrect. So the department now is processing all of that, writing to various authorities, agencies for verification of all of these counterclaims and claims of these bidders. And once all of that is sorted out, then we are likely to process it at a faster speed. But everything remains, nothing has changed. It's just that we are verifying the claims and counterclaims.